and I'm going to tell you the good and the bad about it. Okay, so first, it's the same logo that you're used to seeing. Sorry, the video quality from Facebook is terrible. The main difference with the new app is that there's no printable coupons. These are all digital rebates. Now, there's some really great things about their digital rebates. I'm going to tell you about them, but the bad thing for the people that love printable coupons is there's no more printables in here. They're all digital. Don't worry, you can still print out your digital coupon, your paper coupons, at Me Lost Savvy Mom or through the Me Lost Savvy Mom app, but everything in the coupons.com app is going to be digital, and there's some really great things about that. Number one, you can use these digital rebates anywhere that gives you an itemized receipt. So stores that would not touch a paper coupon, Big Lots, Aldi, if there's one rebate that matches, you can use it there without them having to touch a paper coupon. So it's really easy to do. So here is some examples. Okay, so these blue diamond nut thins. I know the video quality from Facebook is terrible. Sorry, guys. Blue diamond nut thins. This is my daughter Isabella's absolute favorite snack. Like every time we go out, she's like, Mama, can you get me them crackers that I love? So all you're gonna do is hit this little tiny plus sign that's next to the item, and that adds it to your list. And then when you go to shop, you're just gonna hit the activate button here. I hit another one. The little plus sign means it's been activated, and then you go to my list, and it's gonna show you all of the rebates that you have activated. It's gonna show you if there's an expiration date or there's like requirements, like this one's only at Target for the 7th generation. Some of them are not available at Kroger. So you're going to activate the rebates. You can go to my list and see them. And then when you're ready to redeem, you can some stores are card linked, like Harris Teeter, Lowe's Foods, Food Lion. There are, you can see I actually activated my Food Lion already. And some stores are receipt, like Publix or Walmart. Or if you see a store that's not listed, let's say I'm going to do Aldi, it's going to tell me submit a receipt. Whoops, I hit too many buttons. And then when it comes up with the receipt, you're going to take photos of your receipt. Now, here's the one tip that, oh, there's my hair, really worked for me. It's going to automatically come in on auto. I know that the video quality is bad. I'm sorry. It's going to come on auto. Go ahead and switch that to manual. Because it could never find the background dark enough when I was trying to do it. So just a heads up there. I switched it to manual. It's so much easier. And then you take pictures of the receipt. Then it's going to ask you to scan the UPC codes of the products you bought. Bing, bang, boom. And then you will see it under your pending receipt. So I did a couple of test ones. Yes, I want to cancel. So I've used it a couple of times. Let me see how I get back to there. And you can see redemption history. Like I've been testing it out before. I wanted to talk to you guys about it. So you can see here, it will show you what I got. So like at Food Lion on Halloween, I had a free offer for a free Snickers bar. I spent $1.50 and I got $1.50 credited back. And then that money automatically goes into that PayPal account that you linked here. Now, the coupons.com app is really, really great for getting extra money. So I know a lot of us live in the land of doubles, where like Harris Teeter and Lowe's Foods double our coupons. And so the digital rebates don't double, but here are some of the great reasons to use the app. One, if you forget your coupon, you can still get the rebate. So like, let's say I go into the store and I forgot that I was promised Izzy I was going to buy her nut thins and I don't have a coupon, I can still get my money back. One. Two, I can use it at any store that gives you an itemized receipt. Even the gas stations, if you go into Sheetz and you buy, whatever, and it applies, you can get money back from gas stations. Sheetz is probably not going to take your manufacturer coupon. I mean, they might, but they might argue with you about it. Aldi's never going to take it. Big Lots doesn't take coupons. So any of those stores, if you go in there and you find some Colgate Optic White whitening pens at Big Lots for $5, you can still get your $5 back from the app, even though Big Lots wouldn't take your coupon. So that's some of the really great things. There's no threshold to cash it out. So when you hit, you hit $1, that $1.50 that I got in Snickers bars, that money instantly went to my PayPal. I didn't have to ask to cash it out. I didn't have to wait to hit $20. As soon as they approved my receipt, it went through. Now, but you'll always be able to see all of them under your redemption history. And if there is one that has not paid out yet, it will show as pending so you can see it. And then if you have problems, so when I first signed up, I could not remember which email address because I have a bunch. I have like, Jessie coupons and couponing Jessie and all this stuff. I couldn't remember which one I had used to sign up with my telephone number. So if you go to the help and contact us, if you have the same thing, I kept getting an error message, you can actually contact coupons.com support through the app and they can help fix it for you.